such an important event because everything that's come out of today, it allowed us the possibility of speaking with like-minded individuals, with experts in their field, and to create a good framework of how we should be treating these patients moving forward.
We are among experts and a lot of topics to discuss. I consider a fantastic event, the ProArch Summit, because we can share knowledge.
It's great to be here, and I like it because we can share on a very experienced level our daily practice placing implants. You have different solutions for different patients. It's not like just placing 4 implants and place a type of a structure on the 4 implants. You have all these individuals in the world and everybody is different. So ProArch gives us a solution for everybody, and that's really nice. I love working in that concept.
I think ProArch is a good idea for our patients because it's based on customization, and I think we cannot put all our patients in a single box. We have, of course, to customize all the treatment, to not just keep our best choice for the treatment, but to consider the expectation, the compliance, and many other factors that are especially involved with the patient.